our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find friends from your contact list in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's find our friends on TikTok by syncing our contacts. So let's open our TikTok app. One thing you need to know is when we are finding friends from our contacts, basically TikTok is syncing our phone's contacts which are available on our phones and matching the database on TikTok. Therefore you will see your friends on the basis of the database matched. Now okay, to do that, tap on the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone, and after that you can see at the top left corner of your phone there is a find friends button which is indicated by a person icon with the plus icon. Let's just tap there, and after tapping that you can see the find friends button. And now to allow TikTok to access our contacts, you can see contacts option over here, which we can see the invite friend option and contacts option, which also says find your friends. And on the third one is Facebook friends on Facebook. To sync in our contacts from our phone to the TikTok account, we must tap on the find friends button on the contacts. So it will sync in, and all these persons are engaged in TikTok which are in my phone numbers, or whose contacts are in my phone numbers. These all personnel are engaged in TikTok with the follow sign, and those who are not engaged in TikTok from my contacts, they will have a button for invite. Those who are engaged in TikTok will have a follow button, but those who are not engaged in TikTok will have in the invite button. Now you see, okay, for now let's do some adding. Okay, and you can follow these people by just simply tapping the follow on the side of the person's option. Okay, and there guys, this is how you sync your phone contacts to TikTok. And if you have any confusion relating to a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.